Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 14 to 20, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, let's see Scorpio. What's coming to you October 14 to 20, 2024. Uy, time to go. You are leaving a situation. Yung iba, lilipat ng bahay, lilipat ng trabaho. Oo, magre-resign na. Yung iba naman, naalis na kayo sa isang relationship that you feel is no longer serving you. Community. I think mas magiging active ka ngayon sa community, sa iyong social circle. So kung kayo ay merong social media platform, you're an influencer or you're a content creator, then I think you are growing your network. Mas marami kang friends, connections ngayon. By the book, you are learning new techniques. Maaring meron kang pina-follow na path or meron kang pina-follow na procedure, na techniques, kung paano mo mas mapapa-unlad yung situation mo ngayon. And some of you, itong decision ninyo to leave a situation, matagal nyo na itong pinag-isipan. Sa tingin nyo na it's time to make some changes. Minsan kasi mararamdaman mo yan na okay, ito na yung time. Naalis ka na. Kasi you want new experiences. You're open to new opportunities. Overall energy, the Knight of Wands. Sa iba, pwede rin tong travel opportunities for you. Na kung dati is puro kayo, plano na magta-travel ka or mag-abroad ka, magtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa. Ngayon, you are taking action. You are also taking some risk. Your challenge, the Page of Swords. As a challenge, pwedeng meron kang pinag-aaralan ngayon na medyo nagsastruggle ka na ma-manage yung oras, panahon mo at makapagbigay ng focus. Lalo na kung very busy ka. Let's say, gusto mong lumipat ng trabaho, kaya lang, hindi mo alam kung saan, or alam mo man kung saan, alam mo na hindi ka pa magiging qualified doon dahil alam mong hindi ka pa fully equipped, no? Yung tipong wala ka pa masyadong alam sa bagay na yon. Kaya gusto mo munang pag-aralan. Kaya lang, maaring nagsasabay-sabay yung kailangan mong gawin, kailangan mong i-accomplish. So, ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano mo ma-manage yung time, yung energy mo. Some of you, nararamdaman ko ang low ng energy. Yung parang may mga times na ang bigat ng pakaramdam nyo lagi na tinatamad na kayo na kumilos. Pwede kasing, anong tawag doon sa psychology? Yung parang nagfa-function ka lang or parang ginagawa mo lang yung isang bagay kasi alam mong kailangan mo siyang gawin, but you're not really doing it wholeheartedly. Parang ganun. Tapos pag nagawa mo na, babalik ka na ulit dun sa escapism mo na let's say nagsuscroll sa TikTok, ang dami mong watch hours. And then, kapag may kailangan kang asikasuhin mo lang siya, and then after nun, babalik ka na naman ulit. Alam mo yun na parang, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag doon sa psychology, but um, may function ng ano eh. Ewan ko, i-comment nyo nga dyan. Oo, ganon. Yun yung challenge sa inyo. Your opportunity, King of Pentacles. Actually, napakaraming opportunities for you, Scorpio. Kailangan nyo lang talaga na maglakas loob na i-explore yung iba pang opportunities na yan. Kasi, hindi lahat ng opportunities na marating sa inyo, kayo talaga yung hahanap niyan. You have to chase that. You have to look for it. Yung iba, mayroong leadership role for you. Some of you are acquiring inheritance. May marireceive ka na mana from your parents or lolo, lola, from your ancestors. Your blessing, the Lovers. Meron ditong partnership. So, may blessing of, this can be a romantic partnership, business partnership, commitment kasi to. So, whatever commitment na papasukin ninyo, ito ay magbibigay ng blessing sa inyo. In what area to? 10th house, sa career. Career path ninyo. So, pwedeng may bagong kontrata, bagong business offer, bagong trabaho, money, career, finances. You have the Two of Pentacles. Merong butterfly, transformation, change. The Lovers ulit. Oh my God. Yung iba sa inyo may kontrata talaga sa work, business, career. And I see you na merong taong very supportive of you, whether this is a romantic partner or a family member, friend, na nag-i-inspire sa'yo na mas maging very productive. Ang tipong marami kang magagawa. Di ba kasi sa inyo may mga pinagsasabay-sabay? Can be trabaho, tapos meron ka pang side gig, side hustle, or ibang projects na ginagawa on the side. Sa love life, you have, merong papaasahin. Okay. So, malakas ang pakiramdam nyo dapat. Pakiramdaman nyo, if there is someone na madalas lang mangako sa inyo, tapos hindi naman talaga tinutupad, parang paasa. Kasi eventually, manggo-ghost. Yung tipong wala na siyang pakialam. So, kumbaga gamitin nyo yung oras nyo sa mga taong deserving lang. Kapag alam nyo parang lagi na lang nagdadahilan, red flag na yun. You have Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house. A lot of exploration, a lot of learning, studying. Some of you maaring magiging interesado kayo sa isang belief system. This can be any religion or any mantra, paniniwala, lifestyle na mas gusto nyong i-pursue. You have Saturn in the 2nd house. I think, pagdating sa finances nyo, kung you will do the hard work, okay? Kasi yung Saturn is about discipline, structure, karma. So, kung ano yung itinatanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo, especially in your career, finances, in your possessions, yung mga ari-arian mo. So, kung may bala ka na makapag-ipon, makapagpundar, then you really have to do the work. You have Mars in Libra in the 7th house. So, yung iba, pagdating sa relationship, meron kayong choices. Diba? Maraming pagpipilian. Meron kayong option. Yung iba naman, pwedeng magde-decide na kayo if you are willing na mag-commit sa isang relationship. Kung sigurado ka na ba na mag-commit sa isang relationship. Time spent worrying is time spent. Paalala. Isang paalala sa inyo, Scorpio, na kung may mga bagay na pagtutuunan mo ng pag-aalala mo, hindi naman yun magbibigay ng solusyon sa problema, or parang di ba minsan nag-overthink tayo, nag-aalala tayo. nang wala naman talagang totoong dahilan. So, nasayang lang yung oras mo. So, use your time wisely. Iwasan ang pag-overthink kasi syempre, you are still spending your energy pag nag-overthink ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.